Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour. Okay, tonight I'm going to do another dirty cup. So I've already coated the canvas with just Floetrol, to aid in flow of the pour. No paint, just Floetrol. Okay, so let's start my pour. I will start with a tiny bit of, actually I'm going to do more than 1 cup. I'm going to start with a tiny bit of yellow in both cups, okay. And then we'll add some white. Oh, I've already almost used up my white. Okay, next let's do this red. I believe this is a cadmium red light. So I'm doing primary colors, so red, yellow, blue. So we'll do this cadmium red. Okay. Just a little in this one, not too much, okay? And then I want to do a little bit more white. And of course in this paint, there's Floetrol and a little bit of water. Okay. So I just used up all my white. Great. I've got to go make more white. Okay, now we'll add the blue, and I'm only adding the blue. Oh, you know what? I meant to use, no. Let's add some blue in here. Okay. I'll add the blue in here, but I'm only adding very little. Okay, great. So we've got 2 cups. So 1 cup I'm going to flip, and then the other cup I'm going to pour all around. So the cup with the less paint in it, I'm going to flip. Okay, we'll let it sit. Oh, I'm not quite in the center. That's okay. I'll live. And then the other one, I'm going to pour. Let's go ahead and pour. We'll start around. Okay, now let's ready, set, go. Okay, now let's see, let's tilt a little and see what we can get. Okay, there we go. Not very many cells. There are a few. Not very many though. Okay, let's let it sit a little, see what it does. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and heat it up a little. See what happens. Okay, so let's let it sit a little. And we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back with a closer look. And we did get a few cells, not a lot. A few. Yeah. Oh, especially down here. In the white the white seems to sell pretty well. Okay, we got a few cells. Okay. Not as many cells as I'd like, but we did get a few. Okay, thanks for watching.